A body of mass 4m lying in xy plane at rest is lying suddenly explodes into three pieces, two pieces each of mass m. So this is mass m, this is mass m. They move perpendicular to each other. So this angle is 90 degree. Okay, this is the angle which is 90 degree. Okay. The total kinetic energy generated during the explosion is, so if this is m, this is m, this must be 2m because the body was having mass 4m. Okay, now we are taking this as the angular bisector line. Okay, so in this angular bisector line, so this is 45 degree and this also is 45 degrees, is m. Now they are moving with a initial equal speed which is v. This is also v, this is also v. So now let us take this as the x direction, this as the y direction. So since initially it was at rest, so therefore initial momentum is going to be 0. Okay, in both x and y direction. Now final momentum also has to be 0 both in x and y direction. So therefore if we see now in y direction, if we see this m is going to be going to have mv sine 45 degree. This is in positive j direction. This is going to have minus mv sine 45 degree into, and this is j direction. So now if suppose this was at any angle theta, the 2m, so it must have a component in the y direction. Okay, but y direction already like due to plus mv and minus mv, both of them they get cancel each other. So therefore this will create an extra momentum in the y direction, which is like not possible because the initial momentum in the y direction is also going to be 0. So therefore there is no option for this 2m but to travel along the angular bisector in the opposite direction. Okay, so that's what we saw in terms of like y direction momentum conservation. Now in x direction, if we see, okay, initial momentum was 0, so therefore final momentum is 2mv cos 45 degree. This should be equal to 2m and let this be u. So 2m into u, gone. So therefore u is equal to v cos 45 degree, which is v by root 2. Now the total kinetic energy generated is half m v square for this plus half mv square again for this plus half into the mass is 2m, so therefore 2m into v square. Now that's v square by 2, gone. So this is going to be 3 into half mv square. So therefore the answer is going to be B. Thank you.